BBC and Barney building a Switchblade. Woo! Fat coronavirus hold. We're getting set up for the Switchblade build. Here's some wheels, some parts, some grips, tools. Some hold the airlines. What have we got here then, son? Woohoo!
The freshie!
It's like a dream build, but way better.
Dream build will come at us.
Here it is, sports fans, the pivot Switchblade in medium, in the green.
Colour called?
I actually don't know what the green's called, but it's
Green.
sick.
Coolest bike out there, colour wise.
We're on. We got some tools, little ports. She's gonna get cabled up. Wow. Oh, just throw that over there. It's an empty box, guys. We're not like Sam Pilgrim. What are you doing first, Barney, to build a bike like this?
Gonna probably knock in the bottom bracket. Gonna knock in the headset, wherever that is. Don't know yet. In here, maybe. Yeah, in here. Nicely packaged from Pivot.
Alright, you're going to have to half self-film this because
Yeah, I know.
I gotta go pick up the truck.
Go pick up a truck because Bard was late.
Right, when you get the truck, you have to intimately self-film the sweet Switchblade.
Really
Ooh, Shimano grease, is it? Some of the best.
Grease.
Premium. Nice and blurry for you guys. Lovely. Oh, son, how we doing? How we doing, son? Oh! It's looking better.
She's getting there.
Dream bike.
The dream. Without tyres.
Bit of PT sealant going in. Beautiful, in the shouty up front. We're going with the Minion out back. Coronavirus has stopped all our deliveries, so it's an oldie on the rear. But would you look at that, bruv? No cush cores for us. Not on this bad boy. In case you guys are wondering, we got the Renthal Fat Bar 35 up front with a 30mm rise on a, what stem length have we gone for here, Barney? A 50?
50mm.
Just a 50mm stem. Okay, cool. Oh, the tyres are on! On a cinematic angle.
It's a dream build, you gotta get fancy.
Dream build. Rear boot going in. Oh, you beauty. Now she's looking more like a steed. What are we on here, Barney?
The dropper post.
Do you love this part?
It's
actually not that bad.
It's actually really easy on these. because of like the hole on the bottom for the DI2 port.
Ah, well,
Super
there you go.
easy.
Pivot, really thought about that.
Hey, all the cable routing is a breeze.
And we're going for the 175mm Fox transfer. It's a 30.9 if anyone's wondering. And she is going in. I actually can't wait, this bike. It's gonna be the best.
It's the dream.
It's the new jib machine. You could
England
say.
jib machine.
Oh my. It'll for sure be my most used bike. Wow. It's the midday vegan cook-up in the middle of the Switchblade bike build. We have some egg pasta. Got sidetracked from the bike build, haven't we? Put the spark plug back in 500.
Had lunch, got distracted.
I might have a wire problem.
Filming me, films. Shit! Weather! Is that snow or ice? Yeah, that's ice. Right, I'm gonna get that cooler again. It's the medium for all you people out there that think you need massive bikes when you really don't. The jib guard, the MRP AMG, for casing loads of rocks. ASMR, or beautiful. The XTR crank, 170mm. What have we got here then, son? What have we got here?
Well, the chain's just gone on.
Woo!
Tune up the gears. With a good tune up.
Pivot Switchblade, the same shots over and over, but got the XTR gears going in here. I've gone for the 51 tooth cassette because I got some little bitch ass legs. Industry 9 Hydra hub. Woo! Flash Crank Brothers. Mallets. Black and gold. Only the best for this new rig. Actually, the sickest bike ever. We asked 14 leaders dentists what was your favourite bike, and they all said the Pivot Switchblade. Put it next to Eddie the Eagle. Wow. And the Steed is loaded up. First down the Pivot Switchblade. Oh, I'm one of those for this goon. Ho-ho. Oh, so we're here on the sick new Steed. We didn't get to the top of the track, and we're going to ride this sick jump. I can't believe these are allowed to be here. Like, actually, it looks so sick.
So insane.
Let's test out the new Steed. I'll follow Bard in. Are you ready for the Switchblade?
We're ready for the Switchblade.
Oh, Switchblade nation. Actually is the best bike ever. It got 4 podiums at Crankworks, and I know why.
What?
Do you reckon I got it, Barney?
Nah, not really.
I reckon the Switchblade has though.
Yeah. Switchblade's got it, you don't.
That was pretty pathetic. Yeah. Not good enough. Can use part of that. Keep going. In case any of you have watched London Minigetter on YouTube for the cycle channel, this is the road. Sick banks, man. I can catch you on the
So sick. The perfect banks.
Perfect bank, perfect light. If anyone wants to know more about the Switchblade, you can ask me to film next to it because day one, as you can see lights going, perfect to fine. So yeah, tell us what you want to see next. Let's drop a bunny, keep fun away.